Have you noticed how the world's most powerful people are suddenly wearing less flashy but infinitely more expensive timepieces? Welcome to LuxVersus. In 2026, we are witnessing a massive shift in the horological landscape. The era of loud, diamond-encrusted flexing is fading, replaced by a ruthless demand for quiet luxury, timepieces that whisper their worth only to those who truly know. But while the aesthetics have become more understated, the numbers behind the glass are making louder statements than ever. Rolex has once again reshuffled the board, adjusting to soaring material costs and an insatiable global demand. Today, we are breaking down the definitive top 13 Rolex Watches Price List for 2026. This isn't just about telling time, it's about securing a legacy. Starting our list at number 1 is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 41, reference 124300. As the ultimate entry into the world of old money aesthetics, the Oyster Perpetual 41 with the bright block dial and classic oyster bracelet remains a masterclass in restraint. It combines timeless elegance with a rugged durability that transitions effortlessly from a Wall Street boardroom to a weekend in the Hamptons. Powered by a self-winding perpetual movement with a 70-hour reserve, this piece commands a 2026 retail price of $6,400. At number 2, we have the undisputed icon of everyday luxury, the Rolex Datejust 36, reference 126200. Featuring a striking sunray blue dial that catches the light with a subtle, unmistakable glow, this piece is paired with the legendary Jubilee bracelet. It is a watch that hasn't just survived since 1945, it has evolved. For $7,450, the Datejust 36 delivers a flawless classic proportion that purists and modern collectors are aggressively hunting for this year. Moving into the realm of professional tool watches, US market data shows a massive spike in searches for steel sports models that offer uncompromising versatility. At number 3, we find the purist's ultimate diver, the Rolex Submariner, reference 124060. Known simply as the no date, this watch's perfectly symmetrical dial is a triumph of utilitarian design. It is the quintessential dive watch, epitomizing stealth wealth. Equipped with a black Cerachrome bezel and large luminescent hour markers that glow a distinct chromolite blue in the dark, it's purpose-built for the abyss but perfectly suited for a tailored suit. This enduring masterpiece continues to captivate generations, sitting at a price tag of $9,100. Number 4 takes us off the grid with the Rolex Explorer 2, reference 226570. This is a robust, heavily engineered timepiece explicitly designed to pierce the darkness. Featuring a 42mm oyster steel case and a highly legible black dial, its signature feature is the bright orange arrow-shaped 24-hour hand. Originally created for speleologists exploring deep cave networks where day and night blur together, it has become the darling of modern adventurers. The brushed steel bezel gives it a rugged, under-the-radar finish that perfectly aligns with today's classic luxury aesthetic. Housing the relentless caliber 3285 movement, the Explorer 2 demands a price of $9,650, offering a level of durability that few other timepieces on the planet can match. As we push further up the list, the heritage of Rolex begins to shine through, vivid touches of color and perfect sizing. At number 5 is the highly coveted Rolex Submariner date, reference 126610LV. Affectionately known to collectors as the Starbucks or the modern Kermit, this piece stands out as one of the premier choices for both serious investment and daily wear. The green Cerachrome bezel pays homage to the brand's history, while the black dial anchors the watch in modern sophistication. It boasts a unidirectional, rotatable bezel with a knurled edge for exceptional grip, serving as a vital tool for deep-sea timing. With a 70-hour power reserve and a virtually scratch-proof exterior, this iconic status symbol is available for $10,800. Coming in at number 6 is a masterclass in vintage proportions, the Rolex Explorer 36, reference 124273. The 36mm size has made a massive comeback in the US market, appealing to those who prefer the refined, classic dimensions of mid-century watchmaking. This specific reference is a stunning fusion of oyster steel and 18-karat yellow gold, a combination known as roll-sore. The smooth yellow gold bezel adds just the right touch of warmth and elevation to the stark, highly legible black dial with its iconic 3, 6, and 9 Arabic numerals. Priced at $11,750, the Oyster Perpetual Explorer 36 in two-tone beckons collectors who want an adventure watch that doesn't compromise on sheer elegance. The intersection of precious metals and professional-grade engineering represents the sweet spot for many seasoned collectors. At number 7 is the magnificent Rolex Submariner date. Reference 126713GNRR. This piece is a true symbol of deep confidence. It pairs the robust nature of oyster steel with the undeniable luxury of 18-karat yellow gold. The striking royal blue dial, accented by a matching blue ceramic Cerachrome bezel, creates an aesthetic that commands the room the moment you roll up your cuff. It's a bold statement, yet anchored by the Submariner's legendary dive watch heritage. Complete with the glide lock extension system for the perfect fit, this maritime icon commands a price of $15,600. At number 8, we arrive at what might be the most intensely searched, waitlisted, and desired watch in America right now, the Rolex GMT-Master 2, reference 126710BLRO, known universally as the Pepsi. Originally tailored for Pan Am pilots crossing the Atlantic in the 1950s, the GMT-Master 2's ability to track multiple time zones simultaneously has made it the ultimate jet-setter's companion. The bidirectional rotatable bezel featuring a two-color red and blue ceramic insert is an absolute triumph of Rolex engineering, notoriously difficult to manufacture perfectly. With waitlists stretching into years, acquiring one at retail is a massive flex. Representing the pinnacle of aviation heritage and modern luxury, the GMT-Master 2 Pepsi comes with a price tag of $16,450. Now we enter the territory of extreme horological complexity and nautical prestige. Number 9 on our 2026 price list is the Rolex Sky Dweller, reference 336933. This is, without a doubt, the most complicated watch in the Rolex catalog. Designed explicitly for global travelers, this masterpiece in oyster steel and yellow gold features a highly sophisticated Saros annual calendar that automatically differentiates between 30 and 31-day months, requiring only one adjustment per year on March 1st. The bright black dial utilizes an off-center 24-hour disc to keep track of a second time zone, while the fluted ring command bezel actually interacts with the movement to set the watch's functions. A true mechanical marvel, the Sky Dweller is priced at $19,250. At number 10, we pivot to the open ocean with the Rolex Yacht-Master 2, reference 116680. The broader market trend toward ultra-luxury sports watches has skyrocketed the demand for the Yacht-Master line. This is a timepiece that blends the thrill of competitive sailing with cutting-edge micromechanics. It features a striking white dial, coupled with a bright blue Cerachrome bezel, makes it one of the most visually distinctive watches Rolex has ever produced. Designed for those who command the helm, the Yacht-Master 2 currently holds a retail price of $30,500. Breaking the $30,000 threshold brings us to materials and executions reserved for the highest echelon of society. Number 11 is the breathtaking Rolex Perpetual 1908, reference 126515LN. Introduced to replace the Cellini line, the 1908 is now available in solid 950 platinum. Platinum is the ultimate stealth wealth flex, heavier and rarer than gold, but to the untrained eye, it flies under the radar. Rolex exclusively pairs their platinum watches with a mesmerizing ice blue dial. For the 1908, this dial features an intricate engine-turned rice grain motif, a nod to traditional haute horlogerie. With its elegant leather strap and open sapphire caseback revealing the beautifully finished movement, this $30,900 dress watch is for those who appreciate absolute refinement. At number 12 sits the reigning king of chronograph, the Rolex Cosmograph Daytona, reference 126515LN. The Daytona stands alone as the epitome of desirability, a watch that transcends the collector community to become a global pop culture icon. This specific model is a symbol of triumph, featuring a 40mm case sculpted from Rolex's proprietary 18-karat Everose gold. It boasts a stunning sundust and black dial, framed by a black Cerachrome tachymetric bezel. Mounted on the innovative Oyster Flex, bringing the durability of metal with the comfort of high-performance elastomer, this watch is the ultimate fusion of racing heritage and modern opulence. The Everose Daytona carries a price tag of $32,100. As we approach the absolute zenith of our list, we find pieces that are uncompromising in their material value and sheer presence. Number 13 is the towering Rolex Deepsea, reference 136668LB. This is not just a watch, it is a literal anchor of wealth. Crafted entirely from massive blocks of solid 18-karat yellow gold, the Deepsea is a legendary hyper-engineered diver's watch, capable of surviving the crushing pressures of the ocean floor, yet styled for the absolute apex of luxury. The striking blue ceramic bezel and matching blue dial create a brilliant contrast against the heavy gold case and oyster bracelet. Wearing this watch is an intentional display of power and achievement. The heavy oyster lock clasp and glide lock extension system ensure this massive, precious metal fortress sits perfectly on the wrist. Weighing significantly more than a standard steel sports watch, every time you move your arm, you are reminded of the pure density of the gold you are wearing. Priced at a staggering $52,100, the 18-karat yellow gold Rolex Deepsea sets the ultimate standard for luxury dive watches in 2026. It embodies Rolex's dedication to over-engineering, pushing past the boundaries of logic and entering the realm of pure, unadulterated flex. So, what is driving this elite market right now? As we analyze the data for 2026, the demand curve in the United States shows a fascinating psychological shift. Buyers aren't just looking for timepieces, they are looking for impenetrable assets. The steady increase in Rolex retail prices reflects the escalating costs of securing the highest grade raw materials, from flawless 950 platinum to their proprietary Everose gold. But more importantly, it reflects the cost of an uncompromising, obsessive attention to detail in their Swiss foundries and laboratories. While the secondary market fluctuates, the retail fortress of Rolex remains unshaken. The waitlists are a testament to the brand's unwavering pursuit of perfection, creating a landscape where acquiring a Rolex at retail is a privilege, not just a transaction. Whether you are aiming for the quiet luxury of the Oyster Perpetual or the heavy-hitting presence of a solid gold Deepsea, a Rolex remains one of the few items you can wear on your wrist that immediately commands respect in any room on Earth. Thank you for watching this exclusive 2026 breakdown. If you're captivated by the world of elite timepieces, cinematic architecture, and the ultimate luxury lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to LuxVersus. Drop a comment below telling us which model you are hunting for this year, and we'll see you in the next visualization.